Okay, today I'm going to show you how to change a regular switched outlet, a toggle switch, with a rocker switch. One thing you want to watch for is to make sure that you have your standard switches. This is a standard single switch. And then over here, this is a three-way switch, so a little bit different. Eventually I'll probably make a video showing you the three-way switch, but the three-way switch allows you to control the switch from two different sides, and the way that's wired is different. Replacing the outlets, we want to make sure we turn out all the breakers. Or replacing the switch. You can just determine which one it is. Either way, you always want to verify. You never know if something is hooked up different, so you want to use a circuit alert device that you've proven at the time of use in order to change these. It's better safe than extra crispy. Alright, so this one, the old one's got flat screws. It looks like the box is actually sunk in there a bit. Okay, and there's our wiring. And you can see the top wire is red, that's going to our switched outlet. This is hooked up probably to the outlet, maybe over there, top out or bottom. Either way. Anyway, what we've got on the back here is some release tabs for the quick plugs. This one's quick wired. Again, just verify we got no current going through there. With the quick plugs, in order to release them, what we have is this slot right here. And I'm just going to insert the flat blade in there and push it down in order to pull the wire out. Now this was the top one, and this one's the bottom one, and it's nice and straightforward. Okay, on the new one we've got quick plugs in order to plug into, or again side wired. If you're going to side wire them, you want to turn the wire the same way that the wire is wrapped. But anyway, we've got our bottom one here, we'll plug into our quick plug. Top one here, plug into the quick plug there, and we're good to go. It does have a position for a ground wire here. But this one is not hooked up to a ground wire existing, but you could actually add the ground wire to the ground in the box, although the outlet itself is grounded. So. Okay. And this box is, like I was telling you, it's pretty recessed back there. What I'm going to do is take off the extra little holder here that's on the back of this cover. Slip that on there on the screw in order to give it a little bit more to hold, and see if I can't have enough power here, strength there, in order to hold it. So that box is, as I was telling you, is fairly recessed there. Alright, that's going to work. Now our cover, our flathead screws. Just insert on top here, and bottom here. These covers are pretty nice in that they're unbreakable nylon, so it's kind of the way to go to give a little bit more strength to the switch. As you saw, it didn't have a whole lot of power back there. Okay, and now I'll turn my breaker box back on, unless I have more to do. Okay, all our breakers are back on. Okay, and now we'll go and find out which outlet that was. Whichever one's not on right there, so that's off. And now we'll turn the switch back on and we'll just verify. There we go. Good to go. And this we can follow up with a little caulking around the edge. Cut that in. Good to go. You know, it might be advantageous to avoid caulking where we can so that we can replace the switch easier in the future if we needed to. But it's probably going to last 10 years. It'd be better just to make it a nice finish. I'd like to get rid of these cracks. So I'll caulk that in, touch up paint it, cut in the paint so it looks perfect. And there's no openings there. We're good to go. That's how you can change switch to a rocker switch.